It's easy to charge your Mustang Mach-E while away from home thanks to these convenient options. Through your vehicle's Sync 4A with enhanced voice recognition system, you can locate charging stations along your route simply by saying, "Find the nearest charging station." The system will locate all public charging stations near you. Then, you can filter the results to find stations that are a part of the Ford Pass charging network or to find DC fast chargers. We'll get back to DC fast chargers, but first, let's talk about the charging network. The Ford Pass charging network gives you access to the largest public charging network in North America offered by automotive manufacturers. Your access includes other charging networks like Electrify America, Green Lots, and more. And when you activate your Ford Pass charging connected services, you'll receive 2 years of complimentary access to pay-as-you-go charging on the network, which gives you access to over 19,500 public charging stations across North America, and that network keeps growing. In addition, the Ford Pass charging network includes access to DC fast charging stations, where charging can take minutes instead of hours. For example, if your Mustang Mach-E is equipped with the extended range battery and rear-wheel drive, charging at a DC fast charging station will add an estimated 59 miles of range in approximately 10 minutes. Another feature of your Sync 4A system and the Ford Pass app is called Power My Trip. It helps you pre-plan your route and locates the fastest and most convenient charging stations along the way. It can also tell you the price and power level of charges and the availability of charging plugs. Even better, you can save your trips in the Ford Pass app and through your Sync 4A system for future use. One more thing, if you happen to run out of charge, all electric roadside assistance from Ford will flat tow your vehicle within a 35-mile radius to either your home, the nearest public charger, or an EV-certified Ford dealership. Any questions? Go to Ford.com/support.